Hi guys, I thought I'd take you through the interior that I've just done. So what I've decided to do is remove these. They were in a similar colour to this grey. It's not really silver, it's kind of an off grey. The RS models have these, I think, as standard, like a dark, like gunmetal grey. And I think also these buttons along here, they also have that as standard. So I thought what I would do today is take those out, remove them, spray them, and put them back in. I think it looks so much better. It's I know it's a small touch, but I think that in itself looks great. And so easy to do. A couple of cans, one primer, one spray paint, done, and put back. As you can see, I've actually just removed the center ones as well, and about to fit turbo gauges. You're probably going to wonder why I'm going to fit another turbo gauge, as there is a turbo gauge up here. This only goes to 1.2 bar. This ProSport Evo digital gauge will go to 3 bar. As I've done so many upgrades now, I just want to see. Also, I like the fact that it's digital. You know, it's going to add to the display at night when I'm driving. It's just going to give the interior a better feel, a better look. So to make things match, I was actually just going to put one in. It looks a little bit inconsistent, so I've decided to do 2. I've actually just purchased these. I'll show you. It's very simple. You can take them out. I used something like this, just a spatula, plastic, prized along the sides. There's a clip just under here. There's a clip which you have to lift up, wiggle out. It does come out, a little bit of awkwardness, but once it comes out, you can then take the ring off, which I don't think you'll be able to do without actually taking the full wear vent out. You really need to take that out first, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 clips that these actually sit inside this. So without unhooking those, I don't think you'll get them out, and if you prise them out, you probably break it. So it's easier to take the whole thing out first if you're going to do this and spray them. So took these out. I bought these off eBay. They simply pop out. I've gone for the same effect as the dash, the interior here, so it blends in and matches in again, trying to keep some continuity. And these just simply push in. I was a little bit worried that the gauge, first of all, that these would move around, but once they're in, they're solid. They're not going anywhere. I mean, they're not going to pop out or come out. A real good fit. I was a little bit worried about the quality, but once received, put them in, no problem at all. They fit great. And again, with the gauge, I was a little bit worried that this will be wobbling around. It is not going to go anywhere. So once I've installed this, I'll show you how this works. I haven't gone that far yet. I only received it yesterday, so all I've done is just put it in just to see what the look is. But I think once the other one's in, I think it's going to look fantastic in here. Also, what did I do? We've done the steering trims. So again, all kinds of matching. SD badge. Although a little bit came off here, but it still works. The red Ford gel. Yeah, perfect. I think it looks really good in here. So very happy with the final finish, and I'll keep you updated with some with the next mods. Right guys, just finally finished the installation on my boost gauges. As you can see, I've mounted them where the vents used to be. I'll give you a quick look. So I've installed the bar and PSI. You're probably thinking, why have I installed another bar gauge when there's one up there, but give you a bit of accuracy, and obviously it's digital and it lights up. I think it really adds to the ambience of the car. So let me know your thoughts, and yeah, I won't turn on the car now, but I'll do that another time, and I'll show you. I'll do the installation as well, show you where I fitted everything and what I used, wiring loom. But I'll go through that another day. It's just a quick show of them finally installed. Signing out.